Hello friends, today we are looking at advanced filter. So with advanced filter, what you can do is you can make use of a filter criteria to copy and paste data wherever you want to paste it directly from the filter functionality. So without first filtering, then copying and pasting. So for example, if I wanted to copy and paste data that matches this criteria, Edinburgh, I would have to insert some filters here. Go to sort and filter and say filter, and then filter for this particular place and copy it, then go and paste where I want to paste it. But that's not what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a much quicker way and efficient way. So if you want to filter with this criteria, all you have to do is you go to data, then under data, under sort and filter here, you'll see the advanced filter here. Select that advanced filter. It will ask you for whether you want to filter the list in place, so you just want to filter it where it is, or you want to copy to another location the filtered data. So that's exactly what I want to do. I want to copy it to another location. Then it asks me, what do I want to filter? So this is what I want to filter. I select this entire region, and then I then say, okay, what is the criteria? So the criteria, I have to make sure that this on top I put the column name as it is found here in my array here under the list range, and I put the name I want to filter with. So I put the name here, then I select where I want to paste it to. I want to paste it here, and I say okay. Then you can see it brings Cedric, Kelly, and this is the position and the area. Then if I change the area to London, for example, I can then just say advanced. Then I'll just say, because I've already filled in this information, I don't need to redo it again. I just say copy to another location to make sure I copy it to here, then I to this area here. Then I say okay. Then you can see this is now for London, and I can do the same with New York as well. Okay, so you can see I've done it with New York. The only problem that arises is if I have to now copy again Edinburgh, which have one raw item here, it will only paste it over here and it doesn't delete the rest of the data. So it's just something that you have to take note of. So every time you want to paste new data, just remember to clear the paste destination to make sure that you get the right filters. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button. And also, if you like my channel, please do subscribe so that you can be notified when I upload new videos, and also that other users can be able to easily locate my channel and also benefit from this video.